of a trail side update. My phone died, so I had to take the seat off, connect my USB charger, brought a cord in case. Gonna plug it in and charge it up. Here's the phone down here. It was on the motorbike, sitting down, the bloody bike fell over. So, let's get this thing charged up. Rightio, a bit messy, but it'll do the job. Alrighty, let's plug this thing in. Okay, we have power. Well, I've jumped on the bike, going to pull the clutch lever in, and it's not there. The bike was on the stand, it sunk into the soft dirt, fell over, bent the stand, broke my clutch lever. Let's rock on! Come on guys, get off the road.